balance of nature is built of a series of interrelationships between living things and between living things and their environment. You can't just step in with some brute force and change one thing without changing a good many others.
DDT was soon billed as the solution to every insect pest. And in time, upwards of 80 million pounds was being sprayed annually in the US alone, applied to everything from vast forests and cropland to spreading tracts of suburban American homes.
There weren't very many safety precautions. Companies were all saying, oh, this stuff, it ain't gonna bother you, it won't do anything like that.
Average American already has more DDT in his body than is permitted in the meat and fish that we eat. It does not go away, it accumulates, and it passes to babies through their mother's milk.
DDT was heavily used because it's so persistent. It found its way into the food chain of wildlife, and it can bioconcentrate and biomagnify.
We poison the caddisflies in a stream, and the salmon runs dwindle and die. We poison the gnats in a lake, and the poison travels from link to link of the food chain. We spray our elms, and the following springs are silent of robin song.
That whole book was kind of the environmental wake-up call as far as pesticides and things in the environment.
And it has some really good benefits to be able to control for malaria, and there's human health benefits, but there's also those unintended consequences that we have to be aware of. So it is a responsibility for us to protect the wildlife from pollution, and that includes exposure to harmful pesticides.